Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4 subject Moral Science. Today we are going to study new chapter 10, Forgiveness. Okay, all of you listen to me carefully. Ramu was a businessman. He had borrowed a large amount of money from his friend Bhaskar. He taken large amount of money from his friend Bhaskar. Okay. But he suffered a great loss in his business. He who suffered a great loss in his business? Ramu. Okay, very good. He was not in a position to return the money on time. He was not in the position that much he was trouble in the business. Then he cannot return that money to his friend Bhaskar. Bhaskar really agreed to him more time. Bhaskar readily agreed to him to give him more time. He even told him that he did not want the money if it was too difficult. Ramu felt very happy. Then his friend told her, "You are very difficult situation. I don't want now that money. You after." Then he understood his difficult. Then his friend told her, "I don't want that money." Then he was very happy. Okay. And soon the news spread. Some people who honored small amount to Ramu asked him for little more time. Then small amount some friends he want to give to him this Ramu. Then what he did? But Ramu disagreed. They want little more time. They ask for this what his friend. This is difficult situation. Understood and his friend told that money I don't want. Then large amount only he told too I don't want. Then this one but did some small amount he given that he was asking to them to give me soon. Then he made them pay it through. It was very difficult for them. They told I want now itself. You give me that way. He told them. Then they were very thought through. It was very difficult. They cannot pay that money very soon. For them it was very difficult. Was it right to Ramu to behave in that manner? What do you think? How can you judge this, students? If Ramu did it is correct or wrong, right or wrong? Okay, wrong. Okay, very good. Was it right to Ramu to behave in that manner? What do you think? We are happy when others forgive us, but we are ready to do the same for others. When they are forgiving others, that time we are happy. Then others also we have to do the same way. Okay. Then all that people also will be happy. Okay. Many fights and problems can be avoided if we are ready to forgive a little. We have many problems and fight and all avoid when we will forgive. Two students, Anil and Karan, of 4th standard were brought before the teacher. Anil was crying. Karan had beaten him very badly. Karan did very badly beaten him. When asked for the reason, Karan replied, Anil spoke bad words. Who spoke bad words? Anil. If only Karan could forgive, the fight would have been avoided. The Karan could forgive that, then the fight will become avoid. That way we are something here, we are hearing our friends and all, we will soon will get angry and we will fight with each other. Okay, that that we forgive them, then it will fight and all will we can avoid there. If only Karen would forgive, the fight would have been avoided. Okay, and when we are fighting and same bad words and all listening, that time we have to forgive them. Then what will happen there? When we forgive them, there will some kind of I did that way also. He did not tell anything. He forgave me, that kind of gave me. Then their mind also will something will happen, and they also will. When we forgive them, they also started to forgive. Okay, that kind of modest, and we have to practice this virtue in our life. Then we can do the problems and avoid the problems there. Okay, we are practicing that way. Okay, thank you children. I hope all of you understood this lesson. You have to read the lesson. Okay, then remaining lesson I will take next class. All of you read the lesson, that is homework. Okay, thank you children.